Bloss is an Italian brand specialized in the design and production of high-end furniture for both indoor and outdoor spaces. For over 15 years, our work has reflected a perfect fusion of architecture, design, and functionality. We are known for our modular planter system, which really marked the beginning of our journey. Today, our collections include much more: planters, tables, seatings, partition panels, elegant cushion storage units, and more recently, decorative fountains. We work very closely with architecture and design studios around the world, especially on projects that require high-quality, tailor-made solutions. Customization is one of our greatest strengths. Each project begins with a real need and is developed with flexibility, a thoughtful mix of materials, and attention to every single detail, including ease of installation. Our products are designed primarily for contract sector, particularly for hotels, office spaces, and public areas. Our modular systems allow versatile configurations, ideal for complex spaces, avoiding high-impact installations. Bloss means also attention to the environment. We use durable, recyclable materials and design each product to last over time with a responsible, sustainable approach. Bloss, where architecture meets greenery.